Hello, I'm Thomas Altmann, the Head of Innovation and New Technology of ACWA Power. I'm very happy to be here today at this Congress for the World PTX Congress and to contribute to the discussions and on the panel which was for desalination as a critical factor for hydrogen production. ACWA Power is since more than a decade in Morocco and was one of the first movers to bring concentrated solar power technology to Morocco and in Ouarzazate area. As ACWA Power, we have several key technologies which we are developing, including solar PV, including desalination, and the latest hydrogen. We are a partner of NEOM and Air Products in the hydrogen project in Saudi Arabia, which is the largest project under construction, which has also a desalination plant. We are basically trying to expand our presence in Morocco by bringing our know-how and experience to the country to deliver value to the kingdom. And desalination will be one of the fields where we can contribute and bring down the cost of water, but also our plants are not only the biggest in the world, but also with the lowest carbon footprint, which is a significant environmental benefit compared to other technologies and other plants. So when we discuss the integration of hydrogen with the desalination, we need to look in the local context, in the country context. Usually hydrogen projects are on the coast for the shipment of the hydrogen, so as well desalination. However, also coastal properties are prime properties, and it's sometimes difficult and to get the right access to this space. We are working on by increasing the efficiency to make the footprint of the plant smaller. The combination with renewable energy makes them also environmentally friendly, so basically a decarbonization of the desalination process. But also, as we mentioned in the sessions today, the discussion about water for hydrogen is slightly overrated because it's actually the real consumption of water, not the cooling water. The real consumption the real consumption of water is actually very small. For example, in our project in Saudi Arabia, which is the largest in the world, we have a 650 tons per day hydrogen production. We only need 9,000 cubic meters of water. So that's, as I mentioned in the panel, is only less than 5% of the water production of the Agadir project. So it's not a concern in terms of quantity, it's more a concern of access to beach property. Then there was a discussion about the brine, which the concentrated seawater, which going back to the sea. So we are addressing that by minimizing chemical additions in the process, but also working on a new process which actually doesn't produce brine, because we are making the salt less in the water which goes back to the sea, and it can be still called seawater. So we are doing a lot of things. We are constantly innovating as ACWA Power. Innovation is in our people's DNA, and we are for sure coming up with great solutions also for Morocco. So with the current hydrogen technology which we use is the existing one, which is available for large scale, which needs this amount of water. As ACWA Power, we also have innovation projects in the hydrogen technologies itself. At this moment, as we speak, we are testing different electrolysis technologies which are using less electricity and using also less water. So not only that we are not only that we're improving the desalination process itself, we're also working on the hydrogen production side to improve the process. We're looking at future technologies which will replace the current technology which is used in the projects. So both benefits together will create a lot of value and improvements.